Oh boy, salmon fever. Not even 5 in the morning yet. We already got people parking on the road because the launch ramp's full. We don't have sunlight for 2 hours, so hopefully we can be fishing by then, but we'll see. There's the boat we're getting on today. Friend Kevin, and we got Eric with us. Well, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for checking out another of my videos. We're on the ocean, can you tell? We're moving a lot, so yeah. Bumpy morning, a lot of fishing boats out here. Lots and lots of them, that's for sure. We tried to get out here before the sun got up, and that we did. It's 6:30 right now. We got first light. I got a glow-in-the-dark flasher. And my glow-in-the-dark crippled anchovy. So we're starting off with that. I'm with Kevin today on his boat, and then we got Eric.
Morning.
So good morning.
Good morning.
We're hoping for some salmon, right?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
We're smiling because it's opening day, and it feels good to be out here. Okay, so I should set my rod down 144 feet. Eric's at 55, but we're gonna put Kevin's at 99. We're gonna space them out that way. I was talking to my friend Phil out here, and he said to spread them out pretty well, figure out where the fish are at, and then adjust from there. So that's what we're doing. We've been trolling for a good 30 minutes now, haven't got any action. We've heard some fish on the radio, which is encouraging, but we just saw one netted near us, and that's the most encouraging thing you can see, because that means you're in a spot where you know there's fish at. So they definitely got the confidence boost right there. So we're hoping we get one here soon. Eric Merritt missed first strike of the day. Dang it, huh? You see that? At 50 feet. We should bring the other ones up.
Oh, we just missed it.
All right, so there's fish in the area.
Oh, there, we got one right here.
Oh yeah,
Go. You're on. You're on. There you go.
first fish.
Yep. Is that one pop off too, or did you get a?
Oh, maybe.
You're off. You're off.
Look, I got bit.
Fuck it.
We got a double strike there.
All right. This is a hot area.
It's okay if you're gonna grill down all the way there. I'll pull back. Eric's gonna net the first salmon of the season. Oh no, he got stuck on the downrigger. Get it off.
There we go.
Yeah, baby! Woo! Good first fish.
Dude, that's a nice one.
Heck yeah, dude.
Nice.
Yeah. What a fish. All right, well, we're using the live well as the bleed tank. Oh, nice fish. So we're, hearing some fish being caught on the radio, and the depth sounded around 60, 70, 80 feet. Again, we were at the 50, 100, 150. So then we came in, I put Kevin's to 77 feet. Bam, he got on. Mine was out of 111 when it got hit, and Eric's scratch bait was at 50. So the fish might be all over the place, but that's where we're at again, those depths. Looking for number 2. I'm gonna put underwater camera ounce to know we're in a spot they could be around. And we got a little bit more visibility out there now because it's 8 o'clock and it's really overcast, so not too much light yet, but I think enough we might be able to see something.
Looks like it was about right in here.
Oh, Kevin.
There you go. Go ahead. Go. Get it. Yeah, come on. I think it was because I moved my bait up.
Oh, this one too.
Oh, yeah. You got both on?
Yeah.
Yeah, double strike! You want to slow this thing down a little bit or keep going?
Yeah.
Double! Oh, yeah.
We trade? I think yours is bigger.
No, it's mine. I got it.
Okay. Mine's like your size, I think. So don't cross there. So make sure we don't just... We're fine.
You're right next to
Just keep it... Oh, mine popped off. Ah. Damn it.
All right, let's get this one. We'll go back over it again.
Ah.
Okay, ready? Yeah, you want me in front of you, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, just slow you down a little more. Walk back there.
Nice. There we go.
Good job.
2 now.
Some nice looking salmon. So I smoked some salmon. Had to clear out the freezer to make room for the new. So here we go. Smoked salmon, some crackers and cream cheese. Sound like a good meal out here, guys?
Yeah, also excellent. Thank you very much.
All right, let's get in there. Well, we're eating good. We're eating salmon, trying to catch salmon. Turn right, Kevin.
What's up?
Turn right.
Turn right.
I think I might have gotten off.
Yep, it's off.
Dang it. You marked that spot, Kevin?
Yeah, I marked it.
I can't touch a rod today. These fish just get off. Frustrating. Well, definitely bummed out. The fish are getting off from grabbing the rod today. But I don't think it's something I'm doing. So we'll just keep at it and get some more fish on and get the next one in the net, hopefully. The bite seems like it's been slowing down a little bit. A lot of the boats are kind of getting closer together here. So we're seeing a fish caught every once in a while. So we're pulling up the lines here. We're gonna move spots. Eric's just talked to a buddy out here. They got limits for 2. They gave us the coordinates. They said drop it down to 80 feet and they're catching them. So since we haven't got anything in probably an hour and a half now in this spot, it's time to change sceneries. Although it'll look the exact same, it'll be a new location. All right, we'll see you there. So we're in a new spot now, just arrived. See some birds in the area. I wasn't earlier, it's encouraging. You know, maybe there's gonna be some bait here. The water's a lot more chocolatey color, where the last spot it was a lot more clear. Usually with salmon fishing, you're looking for dirtier water. You know, not real dirty, but you know, a muddy color, chocolate color is generally pretty good.
Crazy stuff.
Yeah, Eric's on.
Sweet. Look at that.
Huh?
Oh, huh?
Good call, Eric. Just moved spots. We hooked up instantly on Eric's rod, and this feels like a nice fish. He reluctantly gave me the rod. I kind of took it from him. All right, so we got this rod in, so we're gonna get the fish on this side. So just keep turning to the right.
Turn to the right.
Feels like it's good fish.
I know.
They usually don't stay down like this either.
That's why that was 80 feet. This
Yeah,
one, it's
the
a white
other
sea
one's
bass.
big.
We got a white sea bass,
Oh,
guys.
that'd be sweet. No, it's
Big.
I don't know. It's fighting weird. They're a really big fish.
Really? It's a huge fish.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's a really big fish.
It's feeling good, that's for sure.
What are we talking about? Oh my god.
I'm not used to salmon staying so low like this.
I know the one I had over earlier. This straight to the top. I don't think
Yeah.
it's a salmon.
So what else would it be? Oh no, it's not. I don't think it's like a white sea bass. It's not running. It's doing a little bit now. I don't know. Here we go.
The weight?
Man, less the weight still.
The weight might
Am I not even fighting the fish?
I don't know.
I'm not even fighting the fish. This is just the heavy weight.
Well, you.
How embarrassing.
It looks like just a wing.
It is.
How embarrassing.
Oh no, there's a fish on here. There's a fish on here. How embarrassing.
What is that?
It's a
salmon.
This is the weirdest fight ever.
Hit that thing.
There we go.
What the hell is that all about?
Gee, this is the weirdest fish I've ever fought.
How much?
Like, you have a fish on?
I'm like, no, I don't.
Wow, dude.
You're like, yeah, we're gonna have to wait.
Yeah. Most embarrassing thing in my life. I'm like, oh, the bite, I'm fine.
And Eric puts the net away and you're like, I should wait.
At least it's pretty good size.
Yeah, he's a nice one. They're all three of them are about the same, huh?
All right. You guys make fun of me all you want, but I've never caught a salmon where I'm reeling up dead weight 50 feet below the boat, just vertical, straight up and down. Well, this is the view while we wait for the next salmon. I'll net this one. Haven't netted one yet today. You gotta get up there and keep your rod out and roll the tail on there.
Should I turn it more?
Try and turn it sharp, yeah. Keep turning.
Which way? Right?
To the right, yeah. We're gonna get him right now.
I think we should reel up mine.
He's giving up. He's gonna give it a second now.
He's getting weaker. He's all the way to the top.
What's up? Oh, he's on the other line now.
Dude, good job, right on.
Oh, good.
He fought like crazy,
He
man.
did.
I thought he was gonna figure out how to get
Try
away.
and stay calm. Nice.
All right. Upper cat's burned off.
4 salmon now. We got those last 2 in like the last 15 minutes, and there's a span of 2 hours in between with no fish. So felt good to get back on them. This new spot's producing. Have you guys noticed the color of the flasher that's catching most of the fish today? It's the red one. And if you guys follow along with the channel, you know I always use chartreuse. I'm the one still using that one. Both these guys are on red, and it's producing for them. So I think the idea behind that one is there's krill in the area. At least the fish have been eating on krill recently. The red flasher might trigger to them that might be some krill in the area. So that's the reason for the red, and it's definitely working. 2 more. Hopefully we can get it. That's where you're going over there?
That's how we caught it on.
Alright, we got both cameras running. That one's a little crooked. Ugh.
Get that thing in here. We're almost winning it out.
Good spot here, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's a big one.
That pole's been freaking money, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna get him right here.
Go. Walk backwards. Got him.
Woo!
Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about.
All right.
Yeah, nice rod. Dude! Oh, he's a fatty. Yeah, they're all pretty similar, man. Woo! All right, get the
job.
rod back out. One more.
One more.
Oh, you gotta hurry up. Chris, I'll get the fish.
Yeah, we need this rod.
We need that rod, big time.
Well, that's number 5 bleeding. One more and we're heading in. Kevin just let us know this is his best salmon day ever. Excited to be on the boat with him when that's happening. All right, we're gonna weigh the fish. My guess,
I'm guessing 15. I said 15.
no, I'm gonna guess 14.5. 14.5. What's your guys' guess at home? Mine is 12 and a half.
Bigger, 14.
Nice 14 pounder. Yeah, I think it has one on it right now. It does. All right, there's number 6
You got one?
on this one right here.
Let's go.
Looks small though. Yeah.
Nice.
Doesn't feel very big though at all. Actually, yeah, it's on. There it is.
I got the net.
Yeah, this thing's small.
Let's keep her, right?
No, we're letting it go.
Let it go her. Oh yeah, he's a little one. I saw it bouncing, man. He couldn't pull it off the clip.
All right, so there's our little guy right there. We're not gonna touch him. Grab the hook and release.
Nice.
All right, well, we're just basically packing up. About to film the outro, or what I call the wrap up, and fish on. Going for the limit. Of course, it's this rod, the one that's caught all the fish today. You want to put the head cam on?
Yeah, where is it?
Right in that thing.
Oh,
came off.
Dude. Just came off. Yeah. Oh my god, let me see.
Bummer, huh? The fish are getting off me today. Well, I was about to say goodbye. There's our 5 really nice salmon. I don't think we're gonna get that 6 as we're basically getting close to the launch ramp heading in. So great day out here today, guys. We got some awesome salmon, huh?
Yeah, it's awesome. That's awesome.
You guys got your limits. I got the one, but I did lose a couple.
Yeah.
Bad luck, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And we'll catch you on the next one. All right, later, guys.
Bummer. That's just such a heartbreak.